We're at IKEA. Ooh. Hi. Hi, Donnie. IKEA with his daddy. And Joshie. Yeah, cranky. There's fake artificial plants. Taking the boys, burn up. You're wondering where's Alex? Alex is at the play area. Donnie's too short to go in there. So we're taking Donnie around. Lots of home decoration here. There's bowls, utensil, you name it, they have it all here.
Follow the arrows.
Follow the arrows. There's directions.
Stand there.
Why? To hear the music? Or something's gonna drop. So there's plates, there's bowls, mugs.
Okay, no more pictures.
Pillows, beddings. They didn't call us, so Alex is fine. Oh, we need to go food area and warm up his milk.
I think we should just go pick him up.
Why?
Huh?
This is what we should get for our blinds. Pretty cool. 2-layer.
And let them pull it down.
Donnie, where's Alex? Where's Alex? Where? Where's Alexander? Are you guys fixing a IKEA store? You and Donnie.
Well, that sounds pretty tight. Hey, that's the
Hey, hey,
computer.
hey,
That's
hey,
the
you.
computer.
Hey, you chunky, chunky. That's so chunky from here. Okay, gotta
You
start
can-
feeding
you
kids.
You can hang out with them there. And I can go get Alex myself.
Why you want to get him so early? You need to burn his energy. Bedding, duvet, pillows. Okay, let's go. Here, they show you how to decorate your house. This is what we should do, Kun, right here. This one. Actually, can you do it? I think this one. This one.
Oh, jeez. That's what I told you last time.
Can we do it?
No,
Why?
I don't feel like it.
What? We're in the lighting area. All type of lights. This is pretty cool.
Walk 40 feet, almost wait. Yeah, walk 40 feet. How are you?
This is the sample dining area, balcony area. We have lights, all type of lights. There's batteries, rugs, carpets, rugs.
Soft.
We don't go to hot dog and ice cream for the boys.
We just had meatballs earlier.
Look at Alex. Spent an hour in the play area. He's burning off all his energy.
Oh, for them, yeah, okay.
Not for you. You don't need that extra food. Picture frames. Ceramic
That'll
lantern.
be too tight.
For what?
Too tight. Because the space between the toilet is not that much.
Look, sample, tropical, so nice. Donnie, want to sit down, take pictures? Thanks. This is you going into the self-serve furniture area. Pick up the item that you want, write down the code, and go get that item. There's a self-serve area. Donnie, you getting dizzy, Donnie? A weird father. It's what he do for self-entertainment. Donnie. Okay. Peekaboo.
Dizzy yet?
Yeah, go get the
Pick up Alex? Just
hot
right-
dog and stuff, don't
just
you?
right there.
And warm up his milk.
Yeah, this is around the corner.
Yeah.
I'll go get Alex.
I will stand and warm up the milk. Such a big warehouse. Netting for summer. No mosquito. There's candles. What? For his house?
The Christmas lights when it goes on sale.
It's your fault for not buying it.
I'm not dealing.
Oh. This is a nice setup. Ooh. David, if you see this, you should do this for your backyard. Oh, look at that old bottle of wine. Imagine if it's real wine.
It's not wine.
I know, I was like, imagine. Wow, this is a nice party area.
It's actually pretty cheap. This thing? Yeah, pretty cheap.
No, this one is not as dirty as.
Oh, it's dirty. It's steel. You just have to bolt it to the ground.
People want a cheaper discount item, they can go in here. Circular hub, where there's broken furniture, they sell it for cheap. So you go in here and see if you like anything. Some are like 50% off. All the furniture that are damaged are returned by customers and they can't sell it for full price. This is where it goes. Cover panel. You're gonna go in, take a look.
Well, go ahead.
Taking a break, going to the food area concession. Swedish bistro. Hot dogs and cone for the kids. Everything is locked. Here, you can go in here. This is where you check out. Oh, the meatball should be in here.
You don't have meatballs here. It's just hot dog and ice cream.
No, I meant like meatballs
Over there somewhere.
for the Swedish meatball food area. Oh, later on I'm gonna shop here.
Yeah, I'll go get Alex.
Okay, go get Alice. And then food. There's hot dogs, there's cone, coffee, fruits for a really cheap price. Where to order stuff. Here. Donnie. Alex, what are you eating? What you eating? Ice cream cone? Wow. You have fun at the play area? Do you have friends there?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Lots of friends.
You made lots of friends?
Yeah.
How about you? What you eating? Hot dog? Mommy get you drinks. Mommy get you drinks. And it's feeding time for Joshie. Break time, milk time.
Mommy.
Yeah,
Mom.
yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, dirty. Sit down, mommy wipe you.
You need wipe?
Feeding time.
I don't need this, Mommy.
Eating by yourself. Good job.
I got.
You want ice cream, Father?
I'll get it. Don't worry.
Yeah, you're eating both. Good job.
Hey, Donnie, don't do that. Easy, bro. Hey, Alex.
Let me wipe your mouth. No. These are returning. Alex, come on. Water fountain. Return and exchanges, pretty big. Yes, you have water down there. The food area, there is drinks. Pretty much whatever you see at the food court, they're selling it here. There's the popular meatballs. sparkling drinks. It's a small little food area. There's cakes and stuff here, salmon, prawns, jams, all type of jams, condiments, ketchup, mustard. And the father and sons are here. Okay, let's go.
I'm pushing down for Mom.
Okay, we're leaving this area. Finish eating. Everybody's full. Everybody's full? Rye cookies. There's gummies too. What? Put it back. Put it back. No, let's go.
I want orange.
And we're leaving IKEA. D, everything is D. D, bye.